In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up quick actions in Salesforce. Quick actions are a fantastic way to streamline workflows and increase productivity by providing users with easy access to commonly used functions within Salesforce. Let's dive in and explore how you can set these up efficiently. The first step is to go to Advanced Setup in Salesforce. This is where you begin setting up your quick actions. Once in Advanced Setup, look for the Quick Find box in the upper left corner. Type Object Manager into this box and then select it from the list. This will take you to the page where you can manage objects, which is a critical area for setting up quick actions. Next, choose the object for which you want to create a quick action. You might choose something like Account, Contact, or Lead. Selecting the correct object is essential because the quick action will be associated with this object throughout its use. Once you've selected the object, turn your attention to the left panel and click on Buttons, Links, and Actions. This is the section of Salesforce where you'll define what your quick action will do and how it will appear to users. Now click New Action to start creating your quick action. Here is where you'll be laying the groundwork for what the action will accomplish. Now let's define the action details. This part of the process is crucial for ensuring your quick action functions as intended. Start by selecting the action type. Are you looking to create a record, update a record, or open a flow? Choose the type that aligns with the action you want to facilitate. If you're setting up a quick action to create a record, specify the target object. This could be something like a note, case, or task, depending on your needs. It ensures that the new record is created exactly where you want it. Next, enter a user-friendly label for the action button. This label is what users will see, so it's important to make it clear and intuitive. Additionally, although optional, consider adding a success message. The success message can enhance user experience by confirming the successful execution of the action. After setting up the action, you'll need to add it to a page layout. You can do this by selecting the page layout you want to add the action to, such as account layout or contact layout. Then in the Mobile and Lightning Actions palette, drag the quick action to the section labeled Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions. Finally, don't forget to save your changes when you're done. Saving is the last step, but an essential one to ensure all your configurations take effect. Congratulations, your quick action is all set up and ready to go. This setup can significantly enhance the efficiency of your workflows, making it easier for team members to complete tasks quickly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of Salesforce's robust capabilities.